Hey there, Chris and Shelby from Cres Associates.
What's up, guys?
We're here at 2640 Catherine Crescent. Come on in, check it out. Nice landing area when you first come in the home. It's a classic split level style home. So you've got your stairs that take you to the basement and then of course your stairs that take you to the upper level. This home has been completely renovated inside. Coming up to the main level of the home, you walk into this beautiful, bright, open concept living area. Kitchen used to be sort of separate from the dining room and living room area. So what they've done is taken out all the walls, opened it up completely. There used to be a full wall at the front entrance here, so they took it down to a half wall, let that natural light in come in from that window above the front entrance. And then they just did so much great stuff in here. This kitchen, they opened it right up, made this big great room space. Shelby, I know that you've shown the property a couple times. What do you think?
Yeah, I've shown it a couple times, and generally the comments that people make is that this isn't just a quick flip. This is a very quality renovation. For me, one of my favorite things is normally you see white subway tile. For here, they've used gray, a darker gray subway tile to go with the lighter cabinets. That to me was a very nice touch.
They've done vinyl plank flooring throughout the entire home. There is a central vac system in the home, so it's really, really easy to keep clean. Huge island, great for a workspace. Pull-out drawers on the kitchen side with a built-in microwave, and then on the eating bar side, they've actually built in some cabinetries on that side as well. So one of the things I like that they did in this living room is there used to be an old real rock face fireplace all the way to the ceiling. It was kind of an eyesore, so they took it all out and then rebuilt with a really beautiful natural gas fireplace here, all controlled by your remote. I love this patio. There's a couple of roll shades that come down so you can give yourself a little privacy from your neighbors and also the hotter afternoon sun. We actually overlook the city of Armstrong and then the township of Spalmsheen. You can see all the way to the Enderby Cliffs. It's a really gorgeous view up here. At the opposite end of the home on the main floor, you've got 3 bedrooms. And as you go down the hallway, you've got lots of storage closets, which is really great. And it takes you to the main bathroom. We've got a dual vanity in here, new cabinetry, white subway tile backsplash, and a tub shower combo. The things that I like about this master bedroom is the little half bath off the side. You've got a toilet and a sink, a couple of little side windows in there. So fits in with the room real nice.
What's up, guys? Now we're in the downstairs part of this home. What makes these split level style of homes so great is that they're usually very easy to suite. So to my left here is a great room, and then you walk this way and the split is actually formed by a kitchen and a laundry room. That's what you would put in this area here. On the other end is a bedroom. The thing about this great room too is that there is room to frame in another bedroom, which means there's 2 bedrooms, which is just more income that you can derive from a potential suite. Let's take a look at the rest of this downstairs. Here we have the central part of the downstairs area. This is where you would put your laundry as well as a potential kitchen. If you wanted a suite, you could put the kitchen on the other side of the wall as well. Leading to the full bathroom with a stand-up shower. We have an updated hot water tank, updated furnace, leading to the 4th bedroom in the house. We have a 21 by 21 garage with brand new insulated doors, new lift systems, and 125 amp service. And here we have our great room. To the left here, there is a gas hookup, so in case you wanted to put another gas fireplace in. Right here can be the 2nd bedroom that you would frame in. And then behind me here is one of the coolest features of the house, where a 3rd bay garage has been added to the home. Awesome feature.
So I really love this backyard because it's a good size yard. I've got a nice garden space here, access down the left side of the home. And then we're perched up on the top here. So we overlook the city of Armstrong, township of Spalmsheen. Cool thing, Shelby, you got Enderby Cliffs on this side. And we got Rose Swanson Mountain on this side. Sun sets over there. There's some awesome hiking trails up there. It's just incredible.